Here we go. Here we go. What's happening? Oh! 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 What? Oh! 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 Cannonball! Oh! Oh! Yeah. Bing bang boo. Oh! Ah. My magic seems to still work from the Magic Monkey series. Look at this. We have the opponent here, being the camera. Pull this on my head. Oh! 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 Ah! Stop it! I've everything on me. Hello, my name is Dave. Stop touching me with these little things. What are these? Right, let's do epic cinematic. Ah! Oh! Only you can see this on the Dave T Monkey and Friends channel. Oh! Oh! Stop touching me! Oh my! Ow! Oh! Cannonball! Can I just say, do not try cannonballing into a bath unless you're living in the Dave T Monkey and Friends offices where you have a massive bath. You can probably cannonball in it now. Cannonball! Except sometimes you still hit the barriers, which quiet. Can you save me? Oh, thank you, thank you. Well, that really helped me. Are you ready for? Oh, I wasn't going to say throwing these plastic balls up. Can you hold some plastic balls up? I wasn't going to say hold these plastic balls and just stick it in my face. You didn't need to do that, opponent. Yeah, just yeah. Cleaning the camera. Anyway, my plastic balls. Plastic balls. You can see here. Very, 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 very squishy. I don't think that's a word, squishy. Anyway, well, let's grab the camera here. Yeah. Oh, just grab this. Anyway, yeah. Woo! Cool. Woo! I've got the camera here. I'm on that. I'm doing a vlog. Hey! So, today vlogs here. Well, I already do vlogs on all my channels. This is the only. Yeah, I do vlogs anyway. I don't do game videos. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh. Well, I would warn you, if you're going to try this for a YouTube video, I would warn you, it's very slippy. It may slip on some things. My hand has to be attached. I'm holding my hand on this. If I let go, look, I fall. That's how slippy this can be. I mean, you could be like this. And by the way, that wasn't just me jumping, but that could happen. We're going to make it darker, just for magic purposes only, like bing, bang, boom. Oh, right, bad lighting for the video. Bing, bang, boom. Oh my gosh. Anyway, stop that. Right. Can I just say, if you're going to be buying these, if you're going to sit in them, they might just squash and surprise you. I'm just going to say that. And they're very, very cold. Thank you, the opponent, helping in this video. Holding the camera, I'll take that from now. Just take that. Oh, gotcha. Right. Woohoo, it's Dave. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, yeah, it's good. Let's take the camera back. Right. Okay. Yeah, this is amazing. You might recognise HD Quarter. We're going up in the rankings, as Mindsucker said. We're going up in the ranking. Yeah, shout out Sunday. Who remembers that series, Shout Out Sunday? It was quite a long time ago. But instead of doing Shout Out Sunday, we're going to do Shout Out Monday. What do you think of that? It's rubbish. Oh, well, what about Shout Out Saturday? Sounds good. Oh, right then. Well, right. We're going to be starting the Shout Out Saturday series. Whoa! How many times? Not to... You might be wondering why we were off that much. You might be wondering why were we off? Why were we off? Not uploading for a week. It's actually because we were actually recording a film. It's going to be a proper film. It's going to go on YouTube and on DVD. And also, we're going to upload every other day. So we're going to upload today, then we're going to miss a day, then we're going to upload again, miss a day, upload again. So it's going to work like that. That's how our channel's now going to work, because we can't really upload every other day, because our editor doesn't work every day, and when I try to do it, it doesn't really edit as well. So we decided to do it every other day, and that's when the editor is here. Do you want to just do some magic right here? Ready? I can fly. I'm gonna pick up the music, boo. Oh my! I'm actually wondering, why do you have a bath in the offices? Don't you have a home? Well, in fact, every other member of the Dave T Monkey and Friends offices, except for Bjorn, Bjorn sleeps here as well. Bjorn sleeps at the offices, he lives here at the offices, but every other member has a house, so they go there to sleep, but me and Bjorn sleep here at the Dave T Monkey and Friends offices. Who wants to see a challenge? Splix said to me. Was actually quite. The only people in the offices right now are Splix, Bjorn, and me, and the opponents. But they don't really count. Yeah, they don't really count that much. Bjorn will be a bit more quality. Ah! Oh my gosh! What are you doing? What are you doing to me? Oh, that's gonna hurt in the making. You just broken your arm? No. Oh, he said no. What are you doing? You slipped and the camera's now. The camera's there. The camera's just there. I'm gonna pick that camera up soon. If you don't take it, I'm gonna take it. Right. You want me to take it? Right, sure. Right, I've got it. I've got it. I've got it. Yo, it's my monkey. Should this be my new intro? Yo, it's the monkey here. No, I think I'll stick to, hello, it is Dave here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be slipping in a bath. Yeah, this bath is very, very huge. That's why I can do cannonballs in it. But if you have a smaller bath than this, I wouldn't recommend doing cannonballs into it. It might break you. You might break a bone. Anyway, I'm just going to relax here for a bit. By the way, this room has a bit of echo. Oh! Cameraman slipped on me. I think he's broken his arm. You broken your arm? He's shaking his head. Oh, I don't think he's broken his arm. Okay. Oh, that was just me. Going. You might know the sound effect from me.com. Sorry about that. Yeah, look how cool this looks. Put the camera down. Do some epic cinematics. Fast mode. Oh! I wish we got that on camera. The little opponent, fish opponent, slipped, knocked a load of stuff onto me. He was like, thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.